Or she?
That's a really tiny one.
Yeah.
That's probably less than a month.
Wow.
Sure.
Oh.
Here, there's still pink, tufts of black on the forehead. And the trunk here, they're actually dangling it like a rubber.
Yeah, they
Egg
don't,
in front of there.
they don't learn to use it for a while, right?
Egg.
She's being cosmos.
Pause for a picture here.
Sure.
Oh, do you see Mom's pushing her under? Or him? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh. That is hysterical.
No, she's protected. Wow.
I don't know though. Is it a boy or is it the umbilical cord that you can see, or is it a boy?
All right, the little Ellie.
Yeah.
Let me check.
See?
It's a she.
It's a she.
Sure. In front of our camp, we're going to be driving through now where the hippos are. Just right in front of Hwange. So these are hippos also. They further down on the northern end of the park, we got two rivers. They're called Deka and Lukosi. So it is believed that these hippos, they were actually during the rain season when water quality moved from one pool to the other. So it took possibly over a few hundreds of years to actually for them to arrive in areas where they actually deposit some salts. So it's not really quite tasty as clean water right from the. It actually keep up with the demand.
Oh.
But in years where the rainfall is actually good, you stop pumping maybe for 3 to 4 months.
Nice.
So the mean average rainfall here is around 400 to about 600 in good years. But last year I think we received less than 250. So you never stop, so you keep pumping.
Yeah.
But if there was a heavy rain, would you stop it?
Sorry?
If you had a couple of weeks of heavy rain,
Yes.
Trunk in
That
it.
pump actually
Oh my
pumps
God.
about between 60 to 70,000 liters per day. So that's actually, you have to keep up with the demands. So what we're seeing here is nothing. During 300 to 500 elephants in one water.
Oh.
So the demand for water is actually very high.